Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird. Welcome to Positive's Craft Club. I decided to pull some items that have not been finished out from underneath my bed, and we're going to take a look to see what I finished today. If you're not already subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell. Okay, some of us might remember Grandma using this material called batting. It was sewn in between homemade quilts or underneath a skirt. I found these two woven placemats from Michael's craft store and hand sewed with yarn around the edges and then used the batting to stuff on the inside. From Amazon, I bought two leaves that were barrettes and they did not fit or work well, so I broke the barrette piece off and incorporated them here on the top of the pillow. One is silver, one is gold. And then I just started decorating with beads, ribbon, and a cardboard bird. From the wedding aisle at Dollar Tree, I bought this beautiful silver ribbon and hot glued that along the edge on both sides of one side of the pillow. And there you have it, everybody. I also used the other green ribbon from Dollar Tree that's kind of a woven pattern like the pillow. And what I did to get the old effect of one of the ribbons is very carefully took this welding tool that is extremely hot, so do not try this at home. It actually melts pewter, plastic, and wood. So I barely touched the green ribbon there in the middle of the pillow to give it an antique, old-fashioned look. And here are some up-close photos as well. And there you have it. It just sits as a decorator pillow against my arts and craft chair. And I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your Sunday and a good week ahead. Follow happy, positive only. I don't even know if that made sense. But anyway, we'll see you guys later.